This is Yasmeen and I welcome you to hyderabadwala.com. Today I'll show you how to make Mutton Akbari. Add 8 whole dry red chilies to a pan. Roast for a few seconds and then add 2 teaspoons coriander seeds or dhaniya. Roast together till they turn brown and remove from the pan. For the spice powder, we need 2 teaspoons roasted coriander seeds. Just now we have roasted it. 5 small sticks of cinnamon, half of a mace spice or Javitri, 1 teaspoon caraway seeds or Shahzeera, 4 cardamoms, 8 roasted red chillies, just now we have roasted it, 4 black cloves and 10 peppercorns. Grind all this together into a fine powder. Now add 2 tablespoons sliced dry coconut to a pan, 2 tablespoons cashews. Roast till they turn light brown. Add 1 tablespoon poppy seeds or khashkhash. If you don't have poppy seeds, you can skip it and use only coconut and cashews. Roast for a few seconds as poppy seeds might get burnt. Immediately remove from the pan and grind all these together into a very fine paste. Add 1/4 cup clarified butter or pure ghee to a pan. Add 2 tablespoons oil. Add 4 small sticks of cinnamon. Add 1 medium-sized onion diced. Fry till the onions turn light brown. Add 1½ tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Stir fry for a few seconds till its raw smell goes off. Add ½ teaspoon turmeric powder. 1½ teaspoon red chilli powder, 1½ teaspoon salt or add salt as per the taste. Add 3 medium-sized tomatoes chopped. Stir fry till the tomatoes get tender. Add ½ cup beaten curd. ½ kg big pieces of mutton with bones. Mix well, close the lid and cook till the mutton is 75% tenderized. Mutton will release its water and therefore it will have enough water for cooking. You can even pressure cook the mutton for 2 to 3 whistles. When the water is almost dried, add the ground paste of coconut, cashews and poppy seeds. Cook till the oil separates while stirring frequently but delicately. Add the ground spice powder. Mix delicately. Add 1½ cup water. Add 3 whole green chilies cut into medium pieces. 1 tablespoon chopped coriander. Add few saffron sticks. Close the lid and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes on low flame so that the mutton is tenderized well. Now the gravy attained a thick consistency. Mutton is also tenderized well. Dish out and serve this delicious Mutton Akbari with tandoori roti or plain or jeera or kaju rice. Thank you for watching. Please share, comment and like this video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.